Good morning, children. Now see 10th question. A train runs at 40 km/h. It reaches its destination late by 11 minutes. But if it runs at 50 km/h, it is late by 5 minutes only. Find the distance to be covered by the train. Let the distance be x kilometers. Distance is same here. If the speed is less, it will take the more time. The actual time be t hours. Let it be original time t hours. Actually, it will take t hours time. If he is going 40 km/h, speed 40 km/h. If the speed is 40 km/h, 40 kilometers per hour, then it will late 11 minutes late. Late 11 minutes. So, the time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. And speed is equal to distance by time. And time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. That is the formula. So here the time t original time. If 40 kilometers speed lo velte, it will 11 minutes late. So the time becomes if the speed s1 will say speed s1 40 kilometers per hour, then t1 is equal to t plus 11 minutes. 11 minutes means 11 by 60 hours. Okay. Now, this is a formula only. Now, if the speed increases, means if the speed increases 50 kilometers per hour, if going 50 kilometers per hour, then time becomes 5 minutes late. So, 5 by 60. It will be 5 by 60. Now, time is equal to distance by speed only, na? So, T1 is equal to T plus D by S1 only, na? So, D is X. X by S1 means 40 kilometers. So, T1 is equal to what? T1 is equal to T plus, this is equal to T plus 11 by 60. Understood? Next, T2. T2 is equal to D by S2 only, na? That means X by 50. X by 50. That is T plus 5 by 60. Okay. So, T plus 11 by 60 is equal to X by 40. T plus 5 by 60 is equal to X by 50. Now, from these two, you have to find T. Distance, time, original time T is equal to, here common T only, na? So, T is equal to, from this, X by 40 minus 11 by 60. And from here T is equal to X by 50 minus 5 by 60. Understood? From this T is equal to X by 40 minus 11 by 60. From this T is equal to X by 50 minus 5 by 60. So, these two are equal only, na? So, both are time only, na? So, make both are equal. Equate both. So, if we equate both, we will get the equation in X. We will get the equation in X. Here, this is the equation of X. What is X here? Distance. So, you can find the X from this equation. Now, X by 40. This one bring to LHS, X by 50 is equal to this 11 by 60 transpose, 11 by 60 minus 11 by 60 becomes plus 11 by 60 minus 5 by 60. Now here LCM of these 40 and 50, 200. Now 40 5 times only, then 5x minus 50 4 times only, then 4x is equal to 60 only LCM, na? Here like fractions only, na? So 11 minus 5 by 60. Now 5x minus 4x, x. X by 200 is equal to 6 by 60. Then x is equal to 6 by 60 into 200. Cancel 0, 0. 6 ones, 6 ones. X is equal to 20 kilometers. This is the distance. Understood? First here, you have to take distance, let it be x. Distance, let it be x. Speed is equal to 40 kilometers. If 40 kilometers speed, it is 11 minutes. It is 11 minutes late. So then time t plus 11 by 60. So time is equal to distance by speed, x by 40. X by 40 minus 11 minutes late only na, minus 11 by 60. And in the 50 kilometers speed, distance by time, distance x by speed, distance by speed is equal to time, x by 50 minus 5 by 60. Why? Because 5 minutes late. So minus 5 by 60. Both are time only. So then we will get the equation here. X by 40 minus 11 by 60 is equal to x by 50 minus 5 by 60. We got the equation now. Now, while solving this one, we will get 20 kilometers. X is equal to 20, then distance is equal to 20 kilometers. Understood? This is the new method only na. If you did not understand, addition 2 times or 3 times. If the sum repeat 2-3 times, then we will understand the solution. Why? Because this is the new method for you. Time and distance method sum only this is. Okay. Now, next question, 11th one. 1/4 of a herd of deer has gone to forest. 1/3 of the total number, 1/3 of the total number is grazing in a field, and remaining 15 are drinking water on the bank of the river. Find the total number of deer. Here total deer will be there. Let the total number of deer be x. Okay. In this 1/4 of deer, 1/4 of deer gone to forest. Forest. 1/4 of deer of x. 1/4 of x went to forest, and 1/3 of deer is grazing in the field. Grazing. 1/3 of x are grazing. Okay. And remaining 15 are drinking water on the remaining 15 on the bank of the river. So total x only na. So while adding these, we will get x only. Okay. Now x is equal to x by 4. 1/4 of x means x by 4 plus x by 3 plus 15. This is the equation. Now solve this one. See, these x terms transpose this side. X minus x by 4 minus x by 3 is equal to 15. X means x by 1. Now what is the LCM of 4 and 3? 12. So LCM is 12. 1 12s are 12. So 12x minus 4 3 times only 3x minus 3 4 times only 4x is equal to 15. Now 12x minus 3x 9x, 9x minus 4x 5x. So 5x by 12 is equal to 15. 5x is equal to 15 into 12. Here I will write 5x is equal to 15 into 12. X is equal to 15 into 12 by 5. 5 ones, 5 threes. So 12 threes are 36. So total number of deer 36 are there in the forest. Understood? In the herd. Next, by selling a radio for 903 rupees, a shopkeeper gains 5%. Find the cost price of the radio. By selling a radio for 903 rupees means, what is 903 rupees? Selling price. Okay, you have to find cost price. Selling price of radio is 903 rupees. Okay, and gain, he gains 5%. Gain means profit. What is the formula for profit? SP minus CP. SP is equal to CP plus gain. SP is equal to CP plus gain. Okay, so here SCP, let it be X. CP only you have to find na? CP, let it be X. Now, how to find gain here? Gain 5% of CP only na? 5% of CP. So, gain is equal to 5% of means 5 by 100 into X. So, 5 ones, 5 20s. So, X by 20. Gain is equal to X by 20. Now, SP is equal to CP plus gain. CP X plus gain X by 20. This is equal to CP is given 903. So, this is our equation. Okay, you have to solve this equation. Now, understood children? SP is given as 903 rupees. CP, let it be X. Gain is equal to 5%. Gain 5% of CP. Means 5% of CP means 5 by 100 into X. So then 5 ones, 5 20s. X by 20. That is the gain. So SP is equal to CP plus gain. X plus X by 20 is equal to 903. That is our equation. Now you have to solve that equation. X by 1. X by 1 plus X by 20 is equal to 903. What is the LCM here? 20 only na, cross multiplication you have to do. 20x plus X by 20 is equal to 903. 20 plus X, 21x by 20 is equal to 903. So transpose this. X is equal to 903 into 20 by 21. You can cancel this one by 3. 3 sevens 21. 3 3s 0 3 ones. 7 to cancel cheste 7 ones. 7 4s 28. 7 3s 21. Okay. Now 0. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. So CP is equal to 860 rupees. Understood children? Understood? Now, see the next question. Last one, exercise 2.5. Shekhar gives a quarter of his sweets to Renu. Shekhar gives quarter. Quarter means 1 by 4. Quarter means 1 by 4. Half 1 by 2. Quarter 1 by 4. So, quarter of his sweets to Renu, and then gives 5 sweets to Raji. Shekhar gives Renu and Raji. Total with Shekhar, let it be X. Okay. So quarter sweets means 1 by 4 of x given to Renu, and 5 given to gives to Raji. 5 sweets to Raji. He has 7 sweets left. With Shekhar, 7 sweets left. So finally 1 by 4 of x plus 5 plus 7 is equal to x only na. So x is total only na. X is equal to x by 4 plus 5 plus 7. This is our equation. Total x are there. From x, 1/4 given to Renu, 5 given to Raji, 7 remain with him. So now x by 4 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to x. Now transpose x by 4, x minus x by 1 minus x by 4 is equal to 5 plus 7, 12. Here 4x minus x by 4 is equal to 12. Now 4x minus x, 3x. So 3x by 12 by 4 is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 into 4 by 3. 3 ones, 3 fours. 4 fours are 16. So x is equal to 16 means with Shekhar how many chocolates are there? How many sweets are there? 16 sweets are there. Understood, children? Okay. How many did he have to start with? 16. 16 are there. Out of 16, 1/4 of 16 means 4 only. 4 given to Renu and 5 given to Raji. 4 plus 5, 9 and 7 remain. 9 plus 7, 16. So total 16. Understood? So this is our chapter. So second 2.5 chapter, 2.5 exercise completed. Second chapter completed. If you have any doubts, you can repeat the videos again. If still doubts, I will explain you. I will give you notes. Okay? Learn well, children.